A very good morning to all of you students. So today it's our theoretical lecture of accommodation operations, and our topic for today is clinic agents, and this topic is from Unit 1. So let's begin with your cleaning agents. First of all, are you all able to see the PPT on your screens?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let's move forward. What are cleaning agents? First of all, let me tell you what are cleaning agents. Cleaning is primarily the removal of dust and dirt. So before moving forward on cleaning agents, let me tell you about what is cleaning. Cleaning is the primary the removal of dust and dirt. Dust, being composed of loose particles, is removed comparatively easily by the use of various type of equipment. See, cleaning is basically removing dust and dirt from any surface. So the dust is composed from loose particles in the air, and we can remove these dust. We can remove dust with the help of various equipments. And now, what are cleaning agents? Cleaning agents in journal can be defined as natural or synthetic substances that are used to assist the cleaning process. So, what are cleaning agents? They are generally of two types. First one is natural, and second is synthetic substances. Then they these two excuse me, students. So these two natural and synthetic substances help us in cleaning processes. For example, the removal of dirt and grit and the maintenance of a clean appearance on the surface. So this whole cleaning agents help in our cleaning process, and this substances help us in removing dirt, grit, and the maintenance uh, of the things which we want to appear neat and clean. Moving forward, am I understood you all of you till yet? It is like a dirt, and it is a little substances made from a sandy material. Next, moving forward, am I clear to you all till yet, or shall I move forward? So, I'm sorry. So next we have various types of cleaning agents. So here you can see on your screens we have different types of cleaning agents. These all 14 are the cleaning agents. First one is water. Second one is detergent. Third is abrasives. Fourth, we have reagents, organic solvents, disinfectants, and bleaches, glass cleaners, Next, deodorizers. Next, we have laundry aids, toilet cleaners, polishers, and floor sealers, floor strippers, and last we have carpet cleaner. So these all 14 are the basic and the main cleaning agents which help us in the cleaning process. I'm sorry. So for and we will study in detail about the each cleaning agent and how does this cleaning agent help us in the cleaning process. So first one which we have here is water. So water is referred as the universal solvent. This is the prime agent in the cleaning process. However, though an excellent solvent, water alone is not sufficient effective cleaner to meet the standards most hotels require. So first of all, water is a universal solvent, and it is a prime cleaning agent which we have in our cleaning process. However, the water alone is not sufficient for cleaning process. So you need something, any chemical, sorry, any agents or any solution to clean other things like glass and other materials which we have. So water is a very good uh, agent for cleaning, but alone it is not sufficient to clean the cleaning standards which we require to clean the things properly. From the perspective of cleaning, there are two types of water. So I'm sorry. From the perspective of cleaning, on the behalf of these cleaning perspective, we have two types of water. First one is hard water, and the second one is soft water. So these two are the types of water. So now we'll study about what is hard water. So hard water that contains more than 60 ppm parts per million of calcium or magnesium is called hard water. So see here, uh, students, the water which contains 60 parts per million of calcium or magnesium is called hard water. Moderate hard water, when the mineral content is in the range of 60 to 120 ppm, the water is said to be moderately hard water. So, but then we have moderate water. In this moderate water, the mineral content of this ranges from 61 to 120, and then this the value of this the range, as per the range, then it is known as moderate hard water. So the let me recall once again, the hard water is with the content of 60 ppm of a calcium or magnesium is called hard water, and with the range of 61 to 120 ppm the water becomes moderately hard water. Am I clear? Next we have soft water. Sorry. Soft water is ideal for cleaning purposes and to make up the proper dilution of other cleaning agents. See, this in hard water is little in for hard water it is little difficult to dilute the cleaning agents, but the soft water is the mostly used for cleaning purposes. So, soft water is ideal for cleaning purposes and to make up the proper dilution of other cleaning agents. So, soft water is very good for diluting the cleaning agents uh, as uh, as compared to the hard water. When the level of dissolved calcium or magnesium is below 60 ppm, it is called soft water. See, I have told you in hard water, the range content of magnesium or calcium ranges from 60, above 60, but for soft water, the range varies below 60 ppm. So the contention of calcium or magnesium, if is below 60 ppm, then it is called soft water. However, water from all surfaces contain varying amounts of calcium and magnesium, usually in the form of bicarbonates, sulfates, and chlorides. See, water from other surfaces also has calcium, magnesium, which we get in the form of bicarbonates, sulfates, and chlorides. So it is the relative proportions that determine how hard the water is and in what ways. So if these things, or if the water contains all of these things, and then the level of hardness of the water is described with the help of these things, on what basis and the what uh, content or range of the hard water is. Next, we have another cleaning agents which we use the most. It's detergents. So these are cleaning agents that, when used in conjunctions with water, loosen and remove dirt, then hold in suspension so that dirt is not re-deposited on the clean surface. So students, the detergent is a cleaning agent which is used with the help of water, and it is used to or maybe to spread to loosen up the dirt, or to and to remove the dirt. And this detergents make sure that the dirt is not redeposited on the clean surface. So we have two types of detergents. First one, we have soapy detergents, and the second type which we have is synthetic detergents. And the first one is the soapy one, and the synthetic detergents could also are also known as non-soapy detergent. So this is what are detergents and the two types of detergents. Moving forward, the three basic properties of a good detergents are. So now we'll study what are the three basic good properties of detergent. First we have is good power, good emulsifying power, and we have a good suspending power. So what is good wetting power? To lower the surface tension of water and enable the surface of the article to thoroughly wet. So in the wetting power, the we on the surface we lay out the water once, and helps in surface to go through the water thoroughly on the whole surface once. And next we have uh, good emulsifying power. In this emulsifying, excuse me students. Next we have good emulsifying power to break up the grease and enable the dirt to be loosened. So, and the second property which we have is the emulsifying power. The detergent helps the grease to break up and enable the dirt to loosen. So this emulsifying power of detergent helps the grease to break up and the dirt to spread and loosen up. The third, which we have, the property which detergent have is the good suspending power to suspend the dirt in solution, thus preventing its redeposition. So the third property, a very good property of detergent is it's suspend the dirt in the solution so that it does not get redeposit on the cleaned surface. So these were the very good basic properties of detergent. Now moving to our next. So now we'll study about what are soapy detergents and what are synthetic detergents, which are also known as a non-soapy detergents. So first we have here is soapy detergents. These are obtained when fat and oil is treated with alkyl. This alkyl is a chemical, scientific chemical word. Then we have toilet soap. So what are soapy detergents? These are you obtained when the oil or fat is treated with alkyne, and these are the this is how the soapy detergents is obtained. Then we have soap, toilet soap. They are used in different kinds of packaging for guest rooms and cloakrooms. They can contain perfume, dye stuffs, and antioxidants, which such as vitamin E. So we don't only have soapy detergents, but we have different soap detergents which are used on a different ways. So first we have is toilet soap, and the uh, what they have told here is the packaging of toilet soap refers, and they come in a very different packaging, and these packaging are placed in a guest rooms as well as in clock rooms. And what these toilet soap contain perfume, a sense, a good sense, a dye stuff, a color, the color which we you get of the soap is from the dye stuff, and the antioxidants such as vitamin E. So these are the things which can toilet soap contain. Next, we have soap powders. They dissolve rapidly in water and comprise up to 40% of builder. So soap powders come in as powdery way, and these get dissolve very quickly in water. Next, we have soap flakes, the simplest of all detergents. They dissolve easily and are used for delicate fabrics washed at lower temperature. Next, which we have here is soap flakes, and this is the very simple. These are the very simple. This is the most simplest detergent, and the soap flakes get easily dissolved and are used for delicate fabrics which need to be washed at the lower temperature. So soap flakes are easily dissolved and are used for delicate fabrics. Moving forward, next we have is synthetic detergent. It is the second type of detergent, and this synthetic detergent is also known as non-soapy detergents. These are soap-free and have replaced the use of soaps in many cleaning processes. So these synthetic detergents are known free, does not have uh, soapiness in the and even this has replaced the usage of soaps in the many cleaning processes. Liquid synthetic, so these are light duty detergents for hard surface and lightly soiled fabrics. So liquid synthetic detergents, these are light, this detergent is very light in, and it's used for hard surfaces and the fabrics or the clothes which are lightly soiled, which are not dirty or soiled much. So they contain 20% anionic surfactants and 2% non-ionic surfactants, about 33% alkaline, 9% bleach, 20% fillers, and brighteners, and 15% water. So this is the whole composition of what liquid synthetic detergent contains. So these are 20, so it's a liquid synthetic detergent contains 20% of ionic, 2% of non-ionic, and about 30% of alkaline, 9% of bleach, 20% of fillers, and filler of sodium carboxy methyl cellulose. So this is the filler, and next brighteners and 15% of water. So this is the whole this is how whole liquid synthetic is obtained. So next, by continuing with the synthetic detergent, next we have biological detergents. See this biological detergent and liquid synthetic detergents, solvent-based detergent, and disinfectant detergent. These are all types of synthetic detergents. So second type of synthetic detergent which we have here is they are powder detergents. They are powder detergents. They are powder detergents to which enzymes have been added. They are used for removing organic stains at 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. So what are biological detergents? This biological detergents comes in a powder spray, and with enzymes are added with this powder detergents, and they are used to remove organic stains which are at 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Next, third synthetic detergent which we have here is solvent-based detergent. These contain water miscible solvents, builders, and ionic solvent. Their pH is around 12. Excuse me, students, may I know who is this Oppo, the username Oppo something because your attendance need to be marked. So could you please change your username here so that it will be easier for us to mark your attendance. Next, we were studying about solvent-based detergents. So what are solvent-based detergents? These contain solvent builders and ionic solvent. So this is how solvent-based detergent is made, and the pH level is around 12. So this is solvent-based detergent. Next we have is disinfectant detergent. They are based on cationic surfactants, mainly fats, quaternary ammonium compounds. These are the chemical names. They have good germicidal and anti-static properties. They are available as cleaning gels, air fresheners, and fabric conditioner. So disinfectant detergent is uh, mainly obtained from this cationic substance, and they are good germinals and anti-static properties. These disinfectants have these two properties of removing germs, and they are available in cleaning gels. So you could get disinfectant detergents in the form of cleaning gels, air fresheners, and fabric conditioners. So these are the this is how the disinfectant detergents are used in. So next third cleaning agent which we have is abrasives. These are substances or chemicals that depend on their rubbing or scratching action to clean dirt and grit from hard water. So students, the third cleaning agents which we have is made from substance which these are chemicals and which we rub on the surface or with the help of rubbing or scratching, which scratching action you clean dirt and grit from the hard water. Let me tell you all once what is grit. Grit is the sandy or the uh, uh, which we have a little particles of sandy material is grit from uh, from hard water. So let me revise it once again. So this clean chemicals with these are the substances or chemicals that which we use with the help of rubbing and scratching in the scratching action to clean the dirt and grit from hard water. Then we have types. Then there are types of abrasives. First one is fine abrasive, then medium abrasive. Last you get hard or coarse abrasive. So these are the three kinds of abrasives. So till yet we have studied about the three cleaning agents. First one is water, second detergents, and third is abrasives. Now, now we have reagents. What are reagents? These bring about cleaning about biochemical reaction requiring a distinctly low or high pH value. They thus include acids and alkalis that aid in cleaning process. So, what are reagents? This is the chemical reaction which we need to distinct the low or a high level of pH. So, this reagents includes acids as well as alkalis to clean the in our which are used in our cleaning processes, and then we the reagents first which one is acid, and the second type of a reagent is alkalis. Um, Next, fifth cleaning agent which we have is organic solvents. Grease is soluble in organic solvents such as boron, tetrachloride, acetone, turpentine, and methylated spirit. So this organic solvent uh, is in a greasy form and is soluble in organic and such the chemicals which are these solvents which are organic solvent. Here are such examples. First we have boron, tetrachloride, acetone, turpentine, and methylated spirit. These are the organic solvents. Solvents such are also useful in cleaning surfaces that may be harmed by water. So sometimes you have seen that there are the areas which are damaged or destroyed with the because of the water. So on those areas as well, this organic solvents are used to clean the surface. Next, we have disinfectants and bleaches. This is our sixth kind of cleaning agent. So disinfectants aid in the cleaning process by bringing about the varying ranges of micro microbial control. So disinfectants is are which are used to disinfect the bacterial or germinal, and this brings these comes in a disinfectants comes in a various ranges. So the types of disinfectants are phenols, halogens, natural pine oil, quaternary ammonium compounds. So these are the four types of disinfectants which we use to to disinfect the uh, uh, microbial and bacterial compounds. Next, we have the guidelines for the disinfectants. Clean the surface. So how do you use? Clean the surface first with detergent and rinse with soft water only. So first thing which you do is you clean the surface with the help of detergents. I have told you that we have various kinds of detergents. First one is soap detergents, and second which we have is uh, synthetic detergents. So first you have to clean the surface with detergent, then rinse with soft water, then clean it, rinse the surface with soft water. Rinse away the detergent solution thoroughly before using the disinfectant on the surface. So make sure before using the disinfectant on the required surface, you rinse away the detergent solution which you have applied earlier to clean the surface. So make sure you have rinse away the detergent solution properly before applying the disinfectant on the surface. Next, use the correct disinfectant for the range of disinfectant required. So I have told you there are various kind of disinfectants. So use the correct disinfectant which you require on the uh, uh, which you require as per the requirement of disinfectant. So give me a moment. I'll play another PPT. So next cleaning agent which we have is glass cleaners. These are composed of an organic water miscible solvent such as isopropyl alcohol and alkaline detergent. Excuse me. This glass cleaners are obtained from the isopropyl alcohol and alkaline detergent. Some glass cleaners contain fine, mild abrasive. See, I've told you we have studied about the cleaning agent. So, third cleaning agent, the glass cleaners also include the mild abrasive in it. Most glass cleaners are available as sprays or liquids, and you get the glass cleaners in the in a sprays or a liquids. These are the how the glass cleaners are available. They are sprayed directly onto windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces, or applied on with the soft cloth and rubbed off using a soft lint-free duster. So first of all, whenever you're cleaning the windows or mirror or any glass surface, you must use lint-free dusters or lint-free soft rubbing cloth. And then first, firstly, you get glass cleaner in a way of spray or a liquids. Then how do you use it? You use it by applying directly on windows or mirrors or other glass surfaces which need to be cleaned. Then apply firstly, this could be applied directly. Secondly, you could apply this on a soft cloth or a lint-free duster to rub the required surface to be cleaned. So you could use the liquid or spray by spraying it directly onto the windows or the glass surfaces, and or by applying the liquid on a soft cloth to rub and clean the glass areas. Next, which cleaning agents which we have is deodorizers. Deodorizers aid in the cleaning process by contracting stale odors and sometimes also introducing a fragrance to mask them. So, what are deodorizers? Do you know basically what are deodorizers? For the fragrance or to get the odor in the area, you use deodorizers or the adores and uh, we clean the area, but to get the odor and the fragrances we use deodorizers. They are used in restrooms, guest rooms, bathrooms, and public areas such as lobbies. So these are the areas where you use deodorizers or the fragrances uh, uh, to spread the fragrance. So where do you use deodorizers? You use deodorizers in restrooms, guest rooms, bathrooms, and public areas uh, such as lobbies, etc. Even in restrooms and restaurants and restaurant areas. So this was all about deodorizers and what is deodorizer and where do we use deodorizers. Next, you have toilet cleaners. This is your cleaning agent. These are strong concentrated cleaning agents designed to clean and disinfect WC uh, and urinals. So, your toilet cleaners they are very strong and strong in a sense as well, and these are designed or these are made to disinfect the WCs and the urinals, they are available in liquid, powder, and crystalline forms. So these toilet cleaners comes in a three forms: liquid, powder, and crystalline. They are acidic in nature, as their main function is to remove stubborn stains and lime scale. So toilet cleaners are acidic, and what the function of this toilet cleaner is to remove the stubborn or the stiff stains, and the lime scale, the yellowness on the WCs and all the. So this is how the toilet cleaner is made, and where the toilet cleaner is used. Excuse me, students. Am I understood to all of you till yet? Okay, so I'm moving forward to another. So first, which we have is toilet cleaner. So these are the three types of three types of cleaners. First, we have studied liquid, powder, and crystalline. So uh, toilet liquid, liquid toilet cleaners. Excuse me, students. These contain dilute hydraulic acid, bleach, and fine oil. So liquid toilet cleaners are made from the dilute hydraulic acid, bleach, and fine oil. So this is where the liquid toilet cleaners are contain. So these are all the things which toilet cleaners contain. So second, we have crystalline toilet cleaner. These contain sodium acid, sulfate, ionic surfactant, and pine oil. So these are the three of the materials or the things which crystalline toilet cleaners contain. Uh, Next, which we have is powder toilet cleaners. These cleaners contain a soluble acidic powder, chlorinated bleach, and fine abrasive and effervescing agent to help the active ingredients spread in water. So powder the toilet cleaners contain soluble acidic powder, chlorinated bleach, and fine abrasive uh, to active the it comes in a powder form. You must have seen these cleaners at home as well. So this is how the powder toilet cleaner is made, and this powder is then combined with water to clean the area or clean the surface. Next, we have is polishes. This is also your cleaning agents. Cleaning agent. These chemicals produces shine by providing a smooth surface from which light is reflected evenly. They also create an attractive sheen on the hard surface. So polishes are chemicals which produce shine on a smooth surfaces. So the polishes, you know what polishes mean. So you all know what polishes mean. So these polishes are chemically produced, and these are used on the smooth surfaces to get the shine on the surface, and they also create an attractive sheen on the hard surface. Even they also get a sheen on the hard surfaces. Sheen and the shine is a symbol to get a shine on the soft and the hard surfaces. You could see polishes are used on furniture to get the furniture clean, and the sheen on the wood, and even the polishes are used on the metals to get to remove the tarnish, and to get the shine on the metals. So this was all about the polishes. Next, classification of polishes. So I have told you uses polishes on metals. Uh, so first, the classification of polishes, metal polishes. These remove the superficial tarnish that forms on metals surface due to the attack of certain compounds in the air and some foodstuffs. So to remove the tarnishes from the metal such as brass, steel, uh, which are covered with which got tarnished because of the compounds in the air or the foodstuffs which you used to cook or store in it. So to remove the tarnishes from the metal, we use polishes. These polishes also eliminate any scratches on the metal. So polishes only doesn't get remove the tarnish, but it also clear out the scratches on from the metal. Certain recommendation on the use of metal polishes are given below. So here below are the not examples of the recommendations where the metal polishes are used. Cover the surrounding area with a newspaper or protective sheets. Carry out any polishing work in a cell-ventilated room. Use an appropriate polish applicator or disposable rags. Remove polish with cotton or a soft dry cloth. So here is an example that how should a metal should be polished. So first we have to cover the surrounding area with newspaper or any protective sheet so that the polish does not get spread on those that the surrounding. Carry out any polishing work is in a cell ventilated room. So whenever you are polishing any surface or any material, try that you are uh, using it in a ventilated room. Ventilated means the air, passing of air and air crossing through. Use an appropriate polish applicator or disposable rags. So you should use the uh, your polish as per the requirement. Then remove polish with cotton or soft or dry cloth. Then at last, when you are required to remove the polish from the material or the surface, you remove it with the help of cotton or a soft cloth or any dry cloth. So this is how metal polishes work, or how you use metal polish. Next, we have furniture polishes. These contain a wax or a resin, a solvent, water, and silicone. So, this furniture polish contain wax or resin, solvent, water, and silicone. These are the all materials uh, which helps in uh, which helps in making the furniture polish. The wax or resin helps to keep the furniture surface supple. So the wax and the resin helps to keep the your furniture to stay supple. It also protects against abrasion and absorption of stains and spill. If there are stains and spills on that furniture surface, it also this furniture polish also protect it from the absorption of stains or in the abrasion of from the abrasion and the absorption of stains and spills. So it also protects from the stains and spills. Most pieces of furniture manufactured these days are polished with permanent synthetic resin. So uh, so the and does not require further application of polish. So nowadays the furniture which are being made have a permanent coating of a polished on it, a synthetic resin uh, layer of it on the furniture. which does not make it the requirement of using polish on the on those furniture, but other furnitures which does not have the layer of synthetic resin on it, so on those surfaces you could use the furniture polishes. Next we have floor sealers. Excuse me. So next cleaning agent is floor sealers. So these are applied on flooring surfaces as a semi-permanent finish that acts as a protective barrier by preventing the entry of dirt, grit, liquids, grease, stains, and bacteria. So students, what are floor sealers? So these are the it is a layer which we semi-permanent layer which we spread on the surface to protect the floor from your dirt, grit, liquids, grease, stains, and bacteria. So it is a layer of a solution which you spread or do it on the flooring. The right type of a seal should be applied to each type of a floor for effective protection and attractive appearance. Uh, so to first of all, from for protection and
कहाँ
attractive.
रखे?
Excuse me.
सुन ना,
Ekta, could you please unmute yourself?
अपने कर
Ekta,
ये भी हाँ रख
Ekta, please unmute yourself. You're disturbing the class. Abhimanyu, you as well. Please unmute yourself or mute yourself. Actually, I'm sorry. Please mute yourself, Abhimanyu and Ekta. These are so I have told you for the protection and for a good appearance of the flooring, right type of floor sealers should be applied or should be used to protect and for the appearance, attractive appearance. According to their function, floor sealers can be finishing, protective, and a combination of both. So what the function of the flooring is to protect and to get a neat and a clean finish uh, on a floor, or it could be a both combination of a both finishing and the protection. You by a floor seal by using sealers, you get the attractive appearance as well as the protection from the these dirt, grit, and liquid uh, things. So this was all about floor sealers. So floor sealer is a semi-permanent uh, finish which we use on it depends on the flooring, which kind of a flooring it is, and we use on the floor surfaces to get the so that bacteria, grit, dirt, and these greasy things does not destroy or harm the floor. And these floor sealers also helps in getting the attractive appearance and as well as it protects the floor. So this was floor sealers. Now we have types of floor sealers. So next we have different types of floor sealers. There are six main types of floor sealers depending on their composition. So we have six different types of floor sealers which use as on the dependence of their composition. Oleoresinous sealer, one spot plastic sealers, two pot plastic sealers, pigmented sealers, water-based sealers, and silicate dressing. So these are the all six types of floor sealers which are used for the different purposes on the uh, different areas as per the requirement. So next we have floor strippers. These are used to remove worn out floor finish so that new so that uh, so that a new sealer or a polish can be applied. See, these floor strippers are used to remove uh, the layer already finished which is on the floor, and the floor strippers helps us in removing that, so that we could use the new sealer or a new polish on the floor, so that new polish or a new sealer could be applied. Most are the based on alkalis with the high pH. So most of the floor strippers are based on the alkalis with the high pH value. These are two main types available. One is, so there are two types of floor strippers which are available. One is based on ammonia and the other is non-ammoniated product. So the first type of a floor stripper which is available as ammonia, and the second is non-ammoniated products. The ideal way is to add vinegar to last the rinse of water. Uh, to use it properly, the attractive way is to add vinegar, and at last when it is done, rinse it with water. So to get it cleaned. So this is about floor strippers and how what does floor strippers are used for, and the two types of floor strippers. Next, this is our last cleaning agent. These are composed of natural water soluble solvents, emulsifiers, defoamers, soil repellents, and sanitizers, optical brighters, deodorizers. So carpet cleaners are the combination of all these things. First, it is water soluble solvents. So carpet cleaners are water soluble solvents, and which is made from and these are made from by the emulsification method. And these are deformers, soil repellents. It also sanitizes the carpets. Optical brighteners, it enhance the brightness and the neatness of the carpets. And last, the deodorizers are uh, there is a fragrance in this solvent to get the fragrance or odor from the. So these are the some other common cleaning agents which we used for in our cleaning processes. First, ammonia, bathwick, benzene, borax, fuller earth bran, hydraulic acid, jeweler rod, lemon, linseed oil, magnesia, oxalic acid, paraffin oil, petrol, pumice, vinegar, soda, and common salt. So these all are the common cleaning agents which we use for cleaning the area and which we use in cleaning process. Next, collection, storage, and issuing of cleaning agents. So for it is our so there is a selecting procedure, how you choose the correct cleaning agent uh, c- uh, c- uh, for the correct surface, and how should you store and take care of those cleaning agents, and how do you issue those or cleaning agents. First, we'll look on the selection process of cleaning agents. The use of cleaning agent is meant to save time, effort, and money. So the first thing is the why the cleaning agents are used. These are used to save time and effort of a person and the money as well. The following points need to be considered when selecting cleaning agents. I told you there are some points which you have to keep in mind for selecting the correct cleaning agent as per the surface which you need to be which needs to be cleaned. So the type of spoilage, what kind of a spoilage it is, so that these are the things you need to keep in mind while selecting the cleaning agent. First one is the type of spoilage, then odor, range of action or versatility, the type of surface. So second we have the odor, what odor it is, should be the range of action or versatility, what kind of how do you go about to clean those, about to clean with the cleaning agent, what type of a surface which need to be cleaned, uh, then toxicity or side effects, that if you select, for example, if you select uh, any cleaning agent which should not be used on, for example, let's say that if you choose furniture polish and you use it on the metal surface, it would have some side effects, because that is not the exact uh, cleaning agent which was which is meant to use on the metal surfaces. So for metal surfaces, you need to select the uh, cleaning agents which are meant to clean those metal substances, actually metals. And next, packaging volumes and quantities. You should also know that how much quantity you are required, or how much quantity of that cleaning agent is needed to clean the. Next, this was those all were the steps you need to keep in mind while selecting the cleaning agents. Next, we'll look forward on storage of cleaning agents. First, cleaning agents with the longer shelf life are usually bought in bulk because of reduced cost that acquire from the economies of scale. So, first of all, cleaning agents which have long life are brought in bulk, um, and you should bring you should buy only those things in bulk which you know that are will be used in the long terms. And if the lifespan or the life durability of the cleaning agent is less, you should buy those cleaning agent in the sufficient or the required amount, required quantity only. The storage of cleaning agent is crucial, and various points to be kept in mind are mentioned below. So taking care of these all agents, cleaning agents, is mandatory and even crucial. So there are some points which a person should keep in their mind while storing and taking care of these cleaning agents. First, ensure that the storage racks are sturdy. So first thing you have to keep in mind that your storage uh, racks or shelves are sturdy. Then the store should be kept clean and well ventilated at all the times. So your storeroom or the area where you have stored your all the cleaning agents should be well ventilated. The air should be passing through, and the area should be cleaned. Then label all the containers neatly with the waterproof marker, and there should be a proper marking of the cleaning agents by their names on the containers, properly, neatly. Then ensure that lids are tightly secured. Then another thing which need to be kept in mind, that all the lids and the caps uh, tightly uh, are tight, and to make sure that uh, it won't be opened. Check stocks regularly. You should the storekeeper or the person who is responsible of using all these cleaning agents should keep checking the cleaning agents regularly, that the quantity and the stock of the cleaning agents. Last, avoid spillage. If a spill occurs, clean it up immediately. So the thing and spillage, you should keep that in keep in mind that there should not be a spillage of cleaning agent. If that happens, then clean the area immediately. So, where the cleaning agent is spilled. Next is, how do we issue the cleaning agents? The housekeeper should implement proper system for the methodical issuing of cleaning agents from housekeeping stores. So the housekeeping department has a proper way of issuing cleaning agents from the storekeeper. Uh, so the guest room attendants, whoever need, or the public area cleaners who all needs or clean the areas are meant to uh, issue the cleaning agents in a proper method from the housekeeping store or the store housekeeper. Stores may be issued in a following ways. So here are the ways in which the cleaning agents are issued. Requisition. This is you have a requisition before issuing the cleaning agents from the store. There is a requisition form filled to get the cleaning agents. The system of issuing is followed in a large hotels. The floor supervisor maintains a requisition book with the requisition slip in reply. So there is a requisition books or requisition log books, or even a file. There's a file maintained of a requisitions, and this process is followed in the hotels, even the basically mostly in the large hotels, and the floor supervisor is responsible for maintaining the requisition book or the requisition forms, and the requisition books. The slip is issued in the three triplet way. One stays with the storekeeper, one for the person who is getting the issuing, and the third stays in the department in the requisition book. Full of empty, this system of issuing is followed in small hotels. Empty containers of used up cleaning agents are taken to the housekeeping stores by individual GRAs, the guest room attendants. So full of empty is another way in which you or the guest room attendants take the empty bottles of cleaning agents which are finished, and they need another or a new cleaning a new bottle or a new packaging of cleaning agent. Then the empty bottle or the container is taken to the housekeeper, and then the GRAs are issued the new cleaning agents by showing the older and the uh, used and empty cleaning agents. Topping up, the difference between the method and the difference between the this method and the earlier one is that here the GRs, please mute yourself, students. Uh, the earlier one is that here the GRs approach the housekeeping stores only at the fixed time each week for getting their supplies. See, earlier you have studied the requisition form. You get the requisition slip and give it to the store keeper, and you get the new cleaning agent. In the second, you have studied that you take the empty cleaning agent uh, container to get the new uh, cleaning agent. But here in this topping up is a method where there is a fixed timing where you are allowed to get the cleaning agents at the fixed timings only, and where that store is opened once in a week, and only at that time you are able to get the cleaning agents. So these all were the uh, methods how you are able to, or the how the GRAs are able to issue the cleaning agents. Next, you have guest supplies. Guest supplies include all items that are conducive to the guest material comfort and convenience. So, guest supplies are all those things uh, um, which are given or kept in the guest rooms or serviced to the guest for their comfortable and convenient stay at a hotel. So these may be grouped. Here at below you could see there are the guest supplies which are the hotel service to the guest. First you have guest amenities, all the luxury items that a hotel provide to the guest to at no extra cost, such as bathroom amenities or the bathroom supplies which are placed in the bathroom and in the room as well. So there are the amenities which hotel supplies at the no cost to the guest. Those are known as guest amenities. Then you have guest expendable. Those guest supplies that are expected to be used up or taken away by the guest on leaving the property. So then we have the guest expendable supplies which guest could take with them uh, when the guest is leaving the property, such as uh, um, the guest expandable are those such as the bathroom, the amenities which you place in the washroom for the guest, such as a comb, oil, of oil, toothbrush, toothpaste. These all are the guest expandable things which guests could take along with them when they leave the hotel. Guest essentials, items that are essential to the guest room but are not supposed up or expected to be taken by the guest. So the guest essentials are the things the guest needs in the room, such as telephone, your bath towels, uh, and the TV. These all are the even your kettles, the guest room kettles. These all are the things which are placed in the guest room, which are used by guests, but these things are not meant by the guests to take along with them. So next we have guest loan item supplies that are normally found in the guest room but are available to the guest on request. Such as these are the guest loan items are the things which are usually not placed in the room, but if the guest request the housekeeping department or a guest room attendant to provide or service those things, then the department is then the service and the request filled by the item provided to the guest are the guest loan items such as sewing kit. These are the this is the guest loan items. So these were the guest supplies. So this was all about our today's lecture. So we have studied about the cleaning agents, how the various type of cleaning agents, how these are used in the hotels and in the cleaning process. And then at last we have studied about the process of selection, issuing, and the storage of cleaning agents, the proper method of issuing, selecting, and storaging of cleaning agents. Then last we have studied about the supplies which a hotel provides to the guests. So this was all about our today's lecture. Hope you all got to know about the cleaning agents and the how do we use cleaning agents. So you will be getting the notes of your this topic till in the evening on the Google Classroom. So thank you students for joining your class. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.